Hello, we're Magic Light Productions and we have got a dinosaur challenge for you today. Now dinosaurs are over 200 million years old and today we would like you to make your very own dinosaur out of an old sock. Let's see how you get on.
Okay, so to start with, we need an old sock. So you've got an old sock here. And what I've done is I've cut 1 inch off here. That's off the end of the sock. And now I'll need a piece of cardboard to go in the mouth and a piece of felt to be glued inside. The measurements for these are just over here. The felt, 7 centimeters across and 9 centimeters up. And the card is 11 centimeters across and 8 centimeters across that way. So you've got 2 pieces of card. You end up with the piece of card and the felt slightly smaller. So this is the hard bit now. This is where we've got the glue gun. We've got to use a glue gun. And what we need to do is get the card, pop it inside there like this, making sure that the heel is at the top there. That's the top of the puppet's head there, just there. Then what you need to do, very, very careful, and if you haven't got a glue gun at home, you can use PVA, but it just takes a little bit longer to dry, or you can use glue spots, but they can be stuck on straight away. But this is the fastest way of doing it, and this is by using a hot glue gun. You put the glue around like that, you stick those pieces down there, just like that. All the loose bits as well there. There we are. And what I need to do now is I need to glue the felt into here. So as you've now glued the cardboard inside there, we're going to need to cover this with some felt. You don't have to use felt, you can use coloured paper or anything like that, or craft foam, you could use that. I've got a piece of yellow felt here today and I'm going to glue that into there. Now I've cut that out with a pair of scissors, so be very careful because as you know, scissors can be very sharp. Now, I'm going to now get another glue stick and I'm going to glue the inside of this piece of felt into the inside of the mouth. Be very, very careful not to burn yourself here. But you have to do it right to the edge, so watch your fingers. And then that will be glued to the inside to make the inside of your dinosaur's mouth. That goes there just like that. Now, that's the basis of the puppet, that's the base, and you can attach to it, make it more original, make it your own by adding, you could add in you can put some eyes on it, you could use cotton wool balls as eyes. You can cut some felt teeth out like this. I've cut them out of felt, but that could be out of paper, and you can glue those around the inside edge there. Well, I've made some eyes earlier and I've put eyelids on mine with a bit of felt, and you can get these rolls of eyes in craft shops, or you could just draw it on with a black felt pen. But that will give you the eyes there, so that would go like that, so they would be attached to there using the glue gun. Now when you're using the glue gun, be very careful when you put the glue onto the back of the eye to let it cool down a little bit before you press it onto your hand, because it can get very hot and the glue can go through, so let it cool down first before you glue those on. And there you go, that's your dinosaur. There's the teeth and there's the eyes. Now I just happen to have over here another one that I prepared earlier, but you'll notice on this one it's got like spines going down the back to make it look even more like a dinosaur. So the teeth have been attached there, the eyes have been attached, and these you might recognise because what they actually are, they're made from household sponges. So we've got this yellow one here, and we've cut the 4 corners off, and we glue those like we did with the eyes and the teeth down the back. But be very careful to let the glue cool down a little bit before you press it and attach it to the back. But there we go, that's your puppet, that's your dinosaur puppet. So all those pieces I showed you before have all been glued on now, and of course this is the dinosaur that's a longer challenge, and of course use the sponge and the polystyrene and the felt there. But if you want a simpler challenge, an easier challenge, you can get the sock like that, make sure the heel's on the back of your hand, pull it forward a little bit on your hand so your knuckles are in the heel, and then push it in on itself like that, and that gives you a mouth cavity like that, and there's the dinosaur's mouth. And then if you want to get eyes, you can use anything you've got around the house, like I said before. You can use polystyrene balls like I did, or maybe you could use cotton wool balls like that. Just stick the cotton wool balls on as the eyes instead. And here he is. This is him. This is my dinosaur. And they've got the big spines there down the back and very big eyes. So do you know what I'm going to call him? I'm going to call him, do you think he saw us?
So we hope you have lots of fun making your very own dinosaur puppet. And as a bonus challenge, why not do a little puppet birth certificate? And on this certificate, you can make up any questions you like. Some ideas are favourite food, where your dinosaur might live, favourite colour, anything you like. And you can have them to keep forever. Enjoy!